So first, I'd like to give a shout out to Tactical Investing for turning me on to the PlanetWatch project a couple months ago. Uh, I thought it was really interesting, and I looked into it and wanted to get involved. So I I realized that none of the sensors were available. The Atmo Tube Pro and the smaller one, which I think is just an Atmo tube. They're both keychain type sensors that monitor air quality, and they were completely sold out. And I was kind of bummed about that. I joined the mailing list to be informed when they would become available again. But the other issue I had with that is I don't know that I really want to be carrying around a sensor on my keychain. I mean, it's not the end of the world. It looked kind of bulky. But anyway, the other issue I had with it was I'm an iPhone user, and I saw that there's an issue with the iPhone where the app apparently only streams data back and forth while the app is open on the iPhone. So apparently on Android devices, everything works fine and streams data back and forth whether the app is open or not. So that made me think, well, maybe I'll just buy an Android phone specifically for this purpose. Blah, blah, blah. Long story short, that's not the path I took. So moving forward, a couple months ago, and another shout out to Nerdy Dude Stuff, was watching one of his videos, and he turned me on to the Awair Element, which is what we have right here. And I'm going to open this box up in a minute so everyone can see what's going on. But what I like about this device is it's an indoor air quality monitor. So you don't have to carry it around with you, clearly. It stays in one spot and is constantly streaming data back and forth. And you have the ability to earn planet tokens. So I thought this was really interesting, and it when Aprius from Nerdy Dude Stuff made the video, it was still the Awair Elements were still available on Amazon, and I took a look at that and I thought, this looks really interesting. It looks like something I want to get involved with, and but I slept on it. So the next day I wake up, and I think the first thing I thought was, I need to jump on this. I think it's a good opportunity. And I go back to the Amazon page and for the product, and now it's completely sold out within 24 hours. So that made me realize, okay, I think I really need to get in on this. I turn around and I go to the Awair Element website, and they still had them available. So I was fortunate enough to be able to place order for a few of these devices, and I was able to get them at the $150 price point, which once they sold out, that's no longer they're no longer being sold at that price. They're now being sold at $299. So Yeah, I'm fortunate enough to be able to get my hands on a couple at that discount, and I wanted to make, I've been sitting on these for a while. Yeah, I didn't get them, clearly didn't get them shipped overnight like I would have had I ordered them on Amazon, but it's not that big of a deal because it wasn't until, like a week ago that mining became available, and that's kind of what I've been waiting on this whole time. And so let's see. We have the Awair Element Indoor Air Quality Monitor. And clearly this is compatible with the PlanetWatch project, and now we are earning planets tokens. It monitors temperature. It monitors humidity, CO2 levels, total VOCs, which apparently are toxic chemicals, and particulate matter. And it also functions as a clock. So let's open this thing up and see what's going on the inside here. So basically, this is what it looks like when you open it up on the inside, and it comes with this quick start instruction manual. Here's the sensor, and on the face here there's a series of LEDs that show you what's currently going on, and on the back you'll see let's see the power here, and there's two buttons up and down that allows you to cycle through the data that it's recording, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Other than that, there's not much else to it other than the power adapter and cord. So it connects via Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about cords. And that's pretty much it. Simple, straightforward. And in the next video, we'll talk about setting this thing up. And that's about it for now. Just a quick, short video this time. Other than that, there's not much going on this end. Have some more videos I'm looking forward to cranking out as soon as possible. I guess the only other big news is I've created a Discord server for the channel. So it's the Crypto 936 Discord, and everyone is able to join, and we'll be talking about crypto in general and a lot of what projects that we're talking about on the channel. We're not going to be talking about everything, but if with over 11,000 crypto related projects on CoinMarketCap, clearly we don't have the bandwidth to talk about everything. But crypto, trading, staking, yield, interest, mining, helium, deeper connect, or deeper network, and now PlanetWatch. Jump in the channel, and thanks for watching, and hit that like, comment, subscribe. You know how YouTube works. You know how all these social video sites work. Have a good